Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at the largest gas station in Jamaica. And when we say largest, we mean in terms of the number of pumps that they have at the gas station. We're going on to Mandela Highway now. And Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. So it's only natural that the largest gas station in Jamaica would be on the busiest road in Jamaica. Alright, so we're going to take a look at the gas station, and the gas station is Fesco. I guess you'd call it Fesco Mandela. And just to give you a little history, they have about 320 gas stations in Jamaica. And the largest chain is Total. Total bought out a couple other stations, other franchises, and they have over 80 gas stations. So they are the largest chain in Jamaica. You also have Rubis, who bought out Shell or took over Shell. You have Texaco, and you have Fesco, and then you have some smaller gas station chains like Blaze that probably has a few stations, but the larger chains are the Total, the Rubis, the Texaco, and Fesco. So the gas station we're going to look at now is a Fesco, and this is Mandela Highway that we're driving on. We're actually driving out of the city of Kingston now. Okay, so this is a gas station coming up on the left. Okay, they have a convenience store here, and they also have a tasty patty location over here. Now, this gas station, I guess because it's so large, but we are trying to get to the pumps all the way at the back. And as a result, we have to now join this line and wait for the space to open. It's probably, I don't know if it was a space constraint or they just made a mistake or what, but to get to the diesel pumps that are all the way at the back of the gas station, we have to wait for this line to clear up. It should move now. And this gas station was recently built. Now, Mandela Highway is a road that takes you out of the city of Kingston to two of the most populated areas in Jamaica. It takes you to Portmore and it takes you to Spanish Town. So you have to ask, and this is the only gas station on Mandela Highway. No, actually there's one further down in Central Village, but not as large as this. And before you get to Portmore, this is a gas station you would use. And you would think they have more gas stations on this road, but they don't. And this one was recently built. I think it opened within the last year. So not sure why it took so long. Okay, now you can see we had to wait for the space to open up, and you can see how busy this gas station is. Okay, there's the oil tanker delivering the gas. So they have about 24 pumps at this gas station. Okay, straight ahead they have a drive-through to the Tasty Patty location. Okay, and FESCO stands for Future Energy Sources Company Limited. That's what FESCO stands for. And it's a destination station where you get more than gas. They have a supermarket, money transfer, some have pharmacies, other services, such as this one having a Tasty Patty location. And the reason why FESCO